Yes, ladies, I am single. Let's go! What's good, YouTube? This is where you find an abundance of positive energy. My name is Rodney, and welcome to my channel, Abundant Soul. So go ahead and do me a favor and click on that subscribe button. That way you can join the No Excuses family, where we don't make no excuses, we make results. Also, click on the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. And if you are an OG to the No Excuses family, go ahead and click on that like button right now, because you already know it's finna be lit. Here, we are all about growing in mind, body, and spirit so that we can persevere through anything that life throws our way. Now, in this video, I am going to be answering some questions as the single man that I am. I asked a few of my female friends to ask me some questions that they would ask a potential mate, suitor, date, whatever the case may be, things that they would want to know as females, what a man's perspective and answers would be to these particular questions. So for all the lovely ladies out there, hopefully these answers strike into the ears of a lucky few of y'all, lucky one of y'all. Somebody gonna get lucky. I can feel it. Somebody is gonna resonate with the answers to these questions that I am giving, because I'm pouring my heart and my soul into this. But let's go ahead and get into it. First question: what are your personal goals? Well, my personal goals are, let me think. 100K subscribers on YouTube. So y'all do y'all part, go ahead, subscribe, and tell your friends about it, share the video so I can get to that 100K. Also, I want to speak in front of 1,000+ people.
I have a dream. One day.
I've been through a lot of my life, and it has taken me on a journey, and it's an inspirational journey. So I want my life journey and my things that I have been through to inspire others and help somebody else, because I've been helped tremendously by other people, even just watching their videos or hearing something that they say, is because it's all about a collective conscious, universal mind. We all are in this together. We're all living, breathing creations of God, and why not help each other with some information that we need in order to grow and improve our lives? So speaking on that stage in front of that 1,000+ people really is just something I've always wanted to do, just share what it is that God has blessed me with. This is a goal, but it's more like of a life, stack on type thing. To make each day better than the last day.
My nigga.
That's what ties everything into place, because without doing that, it's stagnation. It's staying in the same spot, and it's hard to get to where you want to be if you're not better than you were yesterday. So that's really the main thing that ties it all in. Make today better than yesterday, and make tomorrow better than today. And make it hard on yourself. Make today so great that you're like, dang, how could I top that? So yeah, definitely. Do you want children? Of course I do. I do want children. Do I have children? No, I don't. Not at the time. I know. Like, am I a unicorn? I don't know. This is all God's plan. So yes, I do want children. How many? At least one. I don't think more than 3. At the same time, it's all in God's plan. But yeah, I definitely want children. What do I expect from a love relationship? I would say loyalty, honesty, respect. I would expect somebody's all, because it's not a just me thing or you thing. Once we become in a real relationship, it should be about us. So I expect somebody's all, because what's the point of me not giving you my all? Like I'm holding something back. Like for what reason? Like, it doesn't really make sense for us to be together unless we just doing something to do it for the time being. And it's 2020, like, we don't really have time to waste on just like, oh, no, like, we're trying to figure out, like, is this gonna go somewhere or is this not? So just be real and honest with somebody and give them your all, or what you're willing to give that person, even if it takes time to gradually build up to giving that person your all. But yeah, like, your all, like, your realness, because it's all about realness. Yes, just be real, the realness. What makes me insecure? Now this is a good question because it's a lot of honesty that needs to come out in this one. So I would just say, like, being around people that are more knowledgeable in the things that I am passionate about. Like, but that's a good thing because in turn, it gives you that drive and that desire to learn more, and know that the fact that you know that you don't know everything already makes you a wise man, and to keep seeking and learn that knowledge. So that would just be an insecurity, if you would call it that, just not knowing everything that somebody else that's in the same lane as you or what you're inspiring to be knows, you know, wanting to get on their level. What do you find attractive in women? Eye contact. Eye contact will tell you everything that you really need to know. Because even if it's a flirtatious situation, a serious situation, they say the eyes are the window to the soul, so that way you can feel the vibe. Like, that's it. Like, you got to go off the vibe. So that's what's going to attract you, the energy, the vibe, everything that is being said, everything that is being done, just the little subtle things, like just that eye contact. That's where the attraction starts for me. What expectations do you have for yourself? Well, as y'all know, this is the No Excuses family. We don't make excuses, we make results. So to go hard. Go hard. And what expectations do I have for y'all? To click on that like button. So y'all go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't already. But yeah, definitely expectations for myself. Go hard, go hard, go hard.
We the best! I'm going in!
You know, go hard, then go home. Go to sleep, wake up, go hard again, and repeat. Rinse and repeat thing. What do you expect from your partner? To be on one accord. Like, to be here, like, if we are starting a business together, or we are wanting to plan a vacation together, just to be on the same page. Like, you know, this is, of course, life. We're not going to agree on everything, but be willing to see the other side of the coin and, you know, be able to compromise. And, you know, just that togetherness, just like it's a us thing. Like, we are bigger than the external. Everything else going on outside of what we got going on, like, we bigger than that. So to be together, you know, because like they say, man, a house divided cannot stand. So what's the point if we're going to be divided? We need to be together. That's what I expect. I expect togetherness. What is the worst thing you have ever done? Loving somebody too much. Like, almost to the point where, like, you love them all, like, slick more than you love yourself. Like, just not knowing when to be like, hey, man, like, it's not really going the way that you want it to, which is fine. I understand feelings and emotions get involved, this, that, and the third, but sometimes you got to know when enough is enough, or when to say no, or when to just fall back, you know. So, but on the flip side of that, like, that taught me so much. That just taught me so much about myself, about love, and, you know, it's not, and it just taught me not to like hate, like, not to even be mad at that person because they don't love you or like you the same way. Like, it's their life. That's like their choice, their decision. So just knowing when to be like, okay, hey, move on to the next one. What is your favorite food? Pizza, by far. I used to think I could eat it every day. I'm kind of like, because, you know, I'm on a healthy living lifestyle, but it's something about pizza. It's just so good, especially like a good pizza. Like, it's nothing like it. Like, I just love pizza. No, I wouldn't say no bougie stuff like lobster tails and no pizza. You know what I'm saying? Like I just like pizza. If you could describe yourself in one word, what would it be? Ambitious. Like my vision, my goals, my dreams, they're just so big. As sure as I'm sure everybody else's are as well. You know, and it's just that knowing that I'm going to achieve it. Just the fact that I know is where the ambition comes from, because once you set your goal very, very high, it can become a lot at times. You have to have that self-belief to just keep going. Like, just take one more step every day. One step, one step, one step, one step. And you know,
I'm gonna step in the name of love. Step in the name of love. In the name.
you know, that's where the ambition comes from, to just keep going no matter what. Where would you like to move? It never rains in Southern California.
He needs some milk.
Yeah, man. San Diego, California. I'm on my way, baby. I'm in the city. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia right now, but San Diego coming to a city near you. You did. This one was kind of funny from my homegirl. She talking about some, are you sure that you're single? I mean, I guess that is like an important question to ask. Like, you got to be sure nowadays.
Raise your hand, you're sure.
Because somebody might think that, hey man, but you kind of leading them. No, but me, like I said, I'm very straightforward to the point. Like, hey, I like you. I think that, you know, we could do something and progress, see where it goes. But, you know, we gonna have that conversation. We gonna have that talk. I ain't had that exclusive conversation talk with anybody. I'm single, you know, open to mingle. You know, but my main goal is to stack these chips like Pringles. You feel me? Do you have any crazy exes that I should know about? No, I ain't got none of them. I ain't got none of them. No baby mama drama. No, none of that. It's just me and this camera. You dig? Where is your idea of a good first date? I believe that you should go somewhere where you like to go, because that way you'll see if that person likes to do the same things that you do. So I'm into nature. I love the outdoors. You know, like I mentioned, I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, so we have a spot called Stone Mountain. Matter of fact, I did a video hiking up Stone Mountain with one of my homegirls, you know, so you can go ahead and check that out when you get done with this video. But yeah, just something outdoors like hiking, nature trails, stuff like that. And then like I'll even go all the way playing with it with the picnic basket.
Really, nigga?
Yeah, like that's what I want to do. Like, they're my first dates. So ladies, you out there and you going on the first date with me, we going to a nature trail, nice little park somewhere with a picnic basket. And yeah, we gonna sit out there and we gonna vibe. Definitely. Get a little Bluetooth speaker, play a little music. You know what I'm saying? Just vibe, have a good time. Just be around each other in a peaceful environment. You know, just really have a good conversation and get to know each other on you know, on a deeper level. What is one of your deal breakers? Somebody that don't believe in God. You know, I just can't get with that at all. So if you don't believe in God, then you might as well just go ahead and just click off the video, because unless, you know, you want to just ask me some questions and maybe we can help each other grow deeper in our relationship with God, then, you know, then definitely stay tuned. But if you don't believe in God, that's a definite deal breaker for me. Do I think being friends first is important? You got to be friends. Like, you have to like know each other. You have to like each other. You have to have that excited feeling to want to see that person, to want to be with that person, to want to hear from that person. You know, so yeah, it's definitely important to be friends throughout the whole duration. Like, it's not supposed to be, it don't have to be like friends first, like, oh, this is my high school friend, and yeah, we just noticed later on down the line we liked each other. Like, that's cool too, but for the most part, yeah, friends throughout. You know, even if y'all start off as business partners and then it grows into something greater later, still, it was just that mutual respect, that bond, that friendship that developed, which is what led in turn to a romantic relationship. Am I a hopeless romantic? Well, I don't like the term hopeless, but my sun sign on the zodiac chart is Cancer. So, I mean, I don't know if y'all know about Cancers, but romances are like native language. Like, it's just natural to me to be romantic. Like I said, I don't know about hopeless, but like definitely romantic. Yeah, I'm going to know your needs and I'm going to fulfill them. I'm going to be like, oh yeah, I'm just going to do stuff because we're together. Like, I just feel like that's what I supposed to do. It's not even an obligation. It's just like, that's what I'm supposed to do. I like you. I love you. Like, why would I not want to not so much think for you, but I know that you like now and later. So I go to the gas station and I walk inside, I grab you a pack of now and later. You don't even ask, like it's the little things like that that you just gotta pay attention to. And it goes a long way because I believe women just want to know that you're thinking about them. Like, yes, I'm thinking about you. I'm at the gas station pumping gas, but my mind's still on you. So let me go ahead in the store and spend my little dollar on the now and laters to let you furthermore know that you are on my mind. And the last question, do I believe that women are equal to men? What I believe is that women and men cannot exist without each other. So I don't really understand the whole, oh well, this one and that. No. We both serve equally important roles. They just happen to be different roles. But one cannot exist without the other. So it's really no debate on are women equal to men. Of course it's an equality. It's just the way that God designed it. Yes, women are equal to men. And not like, oh well, this is this and this is, that's not what I mean. I mean like in an equation, like 2 plus 3 equals 5. That 2 plus 3 equals 5. Yes, the 5 is a whole 5, and the 2 and the 3 together, it still equals 5. It's an equal thing. It's just a different scientific breakup of it, of the masculine and feminine, and you know, like it's to me it's common sense. Yes, it's just a difference in roles. So a question to all the women out there. Am I your type? Comment below and let me know. And for all my fellas out there, no excuse family members, do y'all agree with my answers? Is there anything that I left out or anything that you want to elaborate? Comment below. Leave me your comments so we can expound upon them, make another video on them, and you know, just continually to grow. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. And as y'all already know, this is the No Excuse family. We don't make no excuses, we make results.
Carbs.